A great feature has to be
the ability to make a really accurate mask and make it really, really easily. In this particular case, I want to mask out this horse. So I'm going to load in a quick mask selection that I made earlier, as you see here. And as you can see, it doesn't exactly select all of the horse's mane or of the horse's tail, the fine detail. So I'm going to start with a basic selection. Then I'm going to go over here and select my masking panel right here. Up here, I can then click on this icon to add the mask. And then finally, mask edge right here. That's where the new controls are. Because in these new controls, I can now paint in the areas of transition. What I'm looking at right now is the mask itself, as you see here. Showing you the mask is really going to show you how this works. Closing that down, I'm going to add a little bit of radius, the edge detection here, and I'm going to go in with this brush. This brush will then assign the area of transition. Notice how I just paint over this area where the mane is. Wow, check that out. Will that work on the tail? Let's give it a try. So I'm defining the areas of transition with a simple brush, and then the fine details seem to just emerge from nowhere. I can go back in and repair this just as easily, just like that. Let's finish that up. That looks great. And now let's export this mask. So down here, I want to add one more detail. A great new feature called Decontaminate Colors. You know, the fringe or colors that sometimes contaminate the edge of a selection? Those can be removed quickly and easily. And not only that, I can create this into a new layer with that mask. I now click OK. So we'll then calculate all my adjustments, and as you can see here, it's created a new layer. That leaves my original layer alone and untouched. Let's finish this presentation off with one final thing. What I want to show you is the ability to combine what we've just done with a mask with a new feature called Content Aware Fill. I'm going to load in a new selection of the horse, as you see here. And I'm lassoing the area that I want to fill and make it magically disappear. Check it out. If I target this layer and then I hit my Shift key and my Delete key, it will automatically bring up my fill dialog, as you see here. One of my choices for filling it is Content Aware, right there. Check this out. I'm clicking OK, and magically it will remove the horse from the background. In fact, the fence has been redrawn, the trees have grown, and I've put in new grass. You just have to see that again. Command Z or Control Z to undo and undo. Amazing capabilities for Content Aware Fill. Combine that with the fact that we put this horse against a mask, select our horse with the Move tool, and then we can just move that horse into a new position within our entire photograph. Great, great capabilities. So you've just seen my 5 favorite features found here inside of Photoshop CS5. Give them a